Hi everybody, it's Patti and Debbie from Print and Pixel Studio again, and we have kind of a fun project today that we're going to share. It's actually was inspired by Heather at Rose Hill Paper Cottage, and she does some real cute things over there. And one of the things I saw the other day that she had done were these tiny little charms for your journals. And what she did was she took, regular tags. They would be like this size, and she reduced them down, regular 3x5, and she reduced them down to this tiny little size. Now, you could do this two ways. You could do it if you have like Photoshop or some other photo processing software. You can do it there, of course. But you can also, like she was saying, just shrink them down from your printer. And when you go to print, you just go down on percentage and change the percentage on them till they get to the size that you feel you're going to want to use. I did that, and at first I started out with 45%, and they were small, but I didn't think they were small enough. So then I went to 40%, and they came out the perfect size. Now, when I did that, I had, if you have a digital that you're using, it'll probably have a bunch of tags all lined up on the page or other pieces of ephemera that you might want to use. So you just do 40% and the whole page comes out in with your designs, of course, reduced 40%. So the size is perfect. I think these came out to be a little over 1 inch long and not quite 1 inch wide. So anyway, here they are. And I did not only tags, but I did some other shapes as well. I did circles, which came out cute, and these came out about 1 inch. And then, let's see, these little squares, these are cute. So you can just, use your imagination and come out. I hope I'm holding these up to the screen close enough because they're so tiny, they're hard to see. But they're really cute. So basically what you do is you take your original sheet of cardstock, and now she backed hers with a file folder that she glued double so that she had enough thickness. And she also mentioned in her video that you could use heavy-duty cardstock if you had it. And we did. We didn't have any file folders, but we did have some heavy-duty cardstock. So we just took the original sheet of lightweight cardstock that we printed out, glued it to the heavy-duty cardstock, and we let it set overnight and kind of weighted it down with a book so that it would be good and flat by today. And that worked out perfect. So then for the backing, we took and printed out, let's see, I might have one. No. We printed out small pieces, reduced 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. We reduced them down also, not quite 40%. I can't remember the exact percentage yet right now, but we reduced them down so that they would come out small too, so that the scale would fit the tiny tag that we were doing on the front. I hope this makes sense, but I'm sure that you'll get the idea of it when you start making them. So anyway, we just took, here's one that's been glued to the heavy-duty cardstock. Then you just take this piece, find a backing that you like, make sure I'm going the right way here, and glue it down. And we just used the glitter glue for this, and it worked out perfect for all the other ones that we've done. Kind of like try to get to the edges. as best you can. Then just glue it down to your paper. Probably should have come closer to the edge here. That was kind of dumb. But anyway, just glue it down to the paper. Make sure it's pressed down really well. And you should probably let this dry, but because we don't have time to do that in the video, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out. Anyway, making it 3-layered like this makes it a sturdy little piece, so you don't have to worry about it being too flimsy when you use it as a charm on your journal. Oh, heck. I wanted to add this piece of lace to it. No, it's not. That stuff dries pretty fast. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Well, anyway, I did. That's me. I can't talk and do anything at the same time. Let's see if I got another piece I could maybe use it on. Let's see. Yeah, that would be cute. Anyway, I wanted to glue this piece of lace in between the layers because I think it's so cute. And I think I'm still going to do that. I'm just going to use a different tag. So here we are again. We're going to take this lace, lay it down, and I'm going to glue the back of this. This is kind of cute anyway for spring. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a cute design. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. Make sure the thing's right side up, which it's not. Okay. Then just go ahead and place your lace in there. I'm having a problem with this because it almost with this. Yep, no, that's right. Having a problem with which is up, which is down. Come on. Okay, and then just hopefully your lace and your paper are going to be lined up in the right order. Yep, there we go. Okay. And then just mess with it a little bit till you get it good and straight. There. Okay. Perfect. Now it looks good on both sides. I could have just glued it to the underside, but I kind of like it where it doesn't show too much. Okay. And then go ahead and trim it. Okay, perfect. There. Cute. Mm-hmm. Really cute. And it looks good from both sides, so when if it turns or wiggles around in your journal, there won't be a problem with it. I could cut this a little straighter. I'm not known for cutting straight lines, but I don't think it really matters. It's going to be inked and it's going to be pretty camoed.
Oh,
but it's cute.
Somebody's going by on there.
Yeah.
Either they need a muffler or...
Yeah, right.
Jeez. Holy cow.
I can't tell if this is right side up or upside down.
Decided to sit out in front of the house.
What?
That car.
I know. I can't see that. Is that writing right side up or upside down?
It goes this way, but...
That's that way? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's numbers.
Oh, okay.
Roman numerals.
Gee, do you think I need new glasses? Good grief. Now, you could round the edges on this if you wanted to, but because I put the lace on there, I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to leave them square. Okay. And then I get to use the Crop-a-Dile. We had a time this morning with that darn thing. We just got it, so we really didn't know how to use the thing. And we kept thinking, well, this has to be the place where it punches the hole. I mean, we read the directions, and I guess both of us are not good direction reading
No,
people.
there is not one single diagram pointing to where
the hole punches. Right.
were.
So we're dumbing along, and we're thinking, well, this is where you measure, like if you want to go in on a journal or something, which it is. But we couldn't figure out where in the heck the hole punch was. So we went on YouTube, find anything on YouTube. And yeah, there was a lot of videos on there, but nobody talked about the hole punch. They're only talking about the grommet setting part of it, which is cool, but
And we
for those of
figured
us
out how to do that part.
right, but for those of us that are a little mechanically challenged, it wasn't very easy to find. So we had originally planned on doing grommets on all of these, but I think we would like it better if we had the smaller ones. So we decided, we'll use it as a hole punch today, and we could do grommets another day. But you can see how easy these are to do and how cute they are, Mm-hmm. So let's see, what did I have here to put on it? We're kind of shy on beads and stuff, but I did find a couple little pearls, which I thought were cute. And a button. Do I want to do the button first? Yeah, okay. So anyway, I hope you could see this because they're so little. I think probably we're going to do a video on how to use the Crop-a-Dile. Not really.
How we use it.
Yeah.
Not the proper way, how we use it.
Right.
I think we're going to stick to the good old fashioned
Yeah.
hole punch.
A nail and a hammer.
Right. And all. We're not too, I don't know, I didn't get a degree in engineering. We were getting all carried away thinking we were getting skilled at this craft.
Right.
So we thought we would branch out and get a fancy piece of equipment. But no.
Anyway, I love this little guy.
Oh, he came out cute.
Didn't he come out cute? I thought
Yeah.
he did too. We got to get some more pearls. I really like
I
that.
love that.
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
too. It's real happy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cute. But you can see how fast. I mean, the longest part of it is getting your designs, to the right size that you want them. It's not hard. Like I say, it's just print out a sheet of digital tags or whatever you want, and then just reduce them down. And like I say, excuse me, these came out the perfect size at 40%. But you can mess around with that and, find the size that works for you. But cute, cute, cute. And these would be cute package tie-ons too, even if you didn't use them for journal tags.
Right.
Yeah. Let me see the other one that you made. This is a cute one with a little teapot. Oh, yeah, and I didn't do that, but Debbie roughed hers up with sandy block, and it comes out really neat on the edges, and I particularly love it on the back. It really gives a really great vintage feel to it. Yeah, this is a new design, part of a new set in our shop, a little teapot set. Cute. And let me see. And then, of course, this one, the sorry, little Christmas guys. I just love these little fellows. They're so cute. Now, this one, I didn't back with cardstock. I backed it with book page. And really, I mean, it's very sturdy. Now, another thing I might mention is Heather, in her video, she did some of hers with Mod Podge. And I saw them and they looked great, and she said that they came out really nice. So we might do that with these later. But even if you don't want to do that, these are plenty sturdy. I mean, they are really, you don't have to worry about them folding or anything. They're plenty sturdy, and it gives a great new look. Oh, you know, another thing I was thinking, these would be cute for paper clip. What do you call those little covered paper clip? Hidden paper clips is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it would be cute. Here's another one that we did. And this one we did, the design had a little butterfly on it, so we did 3-dimensional on this one, which is cute too. And backed them with paper. But there's so many things that you could do with these guys. Oh, and here's another one that Debbie made with the little bird. And again, backed him with a little paper. And then a little piece of ribbon with lace. Well, actually, you've got two pieces of, you've got that little print fabric on there. And she frayed the edges, so it gave it kind of a cool look. And then a little piece of ribbon with lace and a button. And it's just cute as could be. I think I'm moving out of the frame of the camera here. But really cute. And then this one, I love it with the pearls. I want to get some more pearls now. These were just a couple we had left over from something. And with the lace, I think it's really cute. But again, this would be a really cute, you know, if you put the paper clip on and then backed it with the cardstock, this would be a cute, what do you call those paper clips?
Hidden
paper clips. Look, I've had a hard day with the Crop-a-Dile, you know?
Right. Oh,
and then
kicked our behinds,
we thought we were going to be all done with our videos by, we'll be done by 1 o'clock. No, we're still Crop-a-Diling by 1 o'clock. Then here's another one with one of the little tags and a piece of ribbon and a button. So there's just some, and you could also do a circle. I don't know if I said this already, but 1-inch circles are cute. We didn't decorate that one, but, I mean, we put a back on it, but we didn't do much to it yet. But anyway, you could just really use your imagination and come up with some really cute tags. You want to put that up here so they show better, maybe? Yeah. They're so tiny, it's kind of hard to get them to show up well in the camera. Do they show up?
I think so.
Yeah, good. So anyway, we hope you have a lot of fun with these. We did, and we sure thank Heather for the idea. Check out her channel. It's Rose Hill Paper Cottage. She has some really cute stuff over there. She's very talented. She makes her own handmade paper too, which is neat. I used to do that years ago, but I'm not into it anymore. It's a lot of work. But anyway, so thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.